Welcome. In today's highly visual, often virtual professional world, presenting yourself with confidence is a key component of effective communication. This lesson is designed for a technical audience and will approach basic face makeup not as an art form, but as a systematic process, a user interface enhancement for your professional life. We'll break down the fundamental steps into a logical workflow using analogies you're already familiar with, to demystify the process and provide a practical skill set for looking polished and prepared, whether on a video call or at a client presentation. Let's begin building our framework. Our objective today is to understand the foundational workflow of a basic makeup application. By the end of this session, you will be able to, first, identify the correct sequence of product application. Second, understand the function of each core product: primer, foundation, concealer, and powder. And third, apply these concepts to create a natural, professional finish. Let's start with the base layer, which is analogous to setting up your development environment. The first step is primer. Think of primer as the local host server or the foundational library you import before writing any code. Its purpose is to create a smooth, stable surface for everything that comes after, ensuring longevity and a better final result. Next is foundation. This is your base code or operating system. Its job is to create a uniform canvas, evening out the skin tone, much like a CSS reset normalizes styles across browsers. You apply it evenly across the face to create a consistent starting point for any further enhancements. With our base established, we move to the refinement phase. Think of concealer as a debugging tool. You don't apply it everywhere, you use it for targeted fixes. Its higher pigmentation is designed to address specific issues like dark under-eye circles or blemishes, essentially patching bugs in the code. You apply it only where needed, blending the edges into your foundation for a seamless integration. Once the base is perfected, it's time to compile and deploy. This is where setting powder comes in. Powder locks in the liquid and cream products, foundation and concealer, much like a final build process compiles your code. It prevents them from shifting, reduces shine for a matte, camera-friendly finish, and significantly increases the application's lifespan throughout a long workday. A light dusting with a brush is all that's required to set your work. Let's quickly review our workflow. What is the primary function of foundation? A, to debug specific blemishes. B, to create a uniform base canvas. Or C, to lock in the final look. The correct answer is B. Foundation acts as the base OS, creating a uniform canvas. Now, which product is analogous to a final compile or build process? A, primer. B, concealer, or C, setting powder? The answer is C. Setting powder locks everything in place for longevity. In summary, our four-step process provides a reliable system for a professional appearance. Step 1, prime the environment. Step 2, apply foundation as your base layer. Step 3, use concealer to debug any specific issues. And Step 4, set with powder to compile and deploy your final polished look. By viewing this process as a logical sequence, you can efficiently and effectively manage your professional presentation.